Welcome to airconditionerphiladelphia.com. We specialize in HVAC repair in Northeast Philadelphia as well as the surrounding suburbs. Since 1948, our company has been installing and servicing all brands of central air conditioning and heating systems throughout the Philadelphia area. Our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repair and installation company is quite unique. We combine over 60 years of HVAC expertise, along with cutting-edge technology and a sincere dedication to old-fashioned craftsmanship and customer service only seen in family-owned businesses. Our expert team of technicians and specialists has the ability to repair problems that other service companies simply cannot. For high-quality service and an honest, no-nonsense diagnosis of your AC or heating system, please contact us today for your free estimate. Thank you and have a great day.